What go on, my people? So, yo, me say me just watch a video with Mataran. Mataran a comedian, a serious comedian Mataran for me people. Cause Mataran the funny a cuss dirty Jamaican never said Jamaican bad mind. Yo, this me I feel laugh when sometimes when me listen to Mataran. Cause even Mataran mannerisms does sound womanly. You see me as my people? Me say I laugh I watch a video like a while. Mataran a cussy people them say Jamaican people them bad mind and then dirty, especially new one them. You see me I say, me couldn't see a video.
During the week me not like people. So only use some alkaline haters and on the flow the blood clot youth, the youth never see you, on a stink like. See the youth defy you. Cause Jamaican people don't like when they defy them, that's why I defy them all the while. Hears me I defy them. Only just negative and critic. Oh, right. I know for you say you don't like alkaline, you don't broke on the blood clot neck for pop out on the mama pussy for go watch the youth show. Just to talk bad about it. Pussy you don't watch it. I don't like people, I don't watch it. I don't look for you. If I don't like alkaline, they think they go watch alkaline show. For what? I don't like the guy. So I wouldn't watch him show. I'm not hypocrite. I don't say I don't like him. But then, I don't broke on the neck for watch him show just to criticize it. Oh, you don't like somebody and you spend so much time of your day. Alkaline show go on for about 2 hours or more. Why you that sit down your good time and watch alkaline show? You don't rate the youth. You don't like him. But you sit down and watch him. Me not see that. Talk to alkaline and we share the same values when it come out to things. If them act like mindless cows, you deal with them like mindless cows. Fuck where the fuck are them off say, hey, you know, see how the youth deal with them. And some around deal with them, you know, sometimes them chat bad about me. I'm gonna say, and that is it. And you see Mataran doing him thing tomorrow, because I care zero. On a bad mind. And other people from around the world sees how bad mind Jamaicans are. I'm not going about Jamaican are good people. Jamaicans are pussy. The new one them. Someone wanna big up some people. Look on Papi. Papi them and Drake them a friend. Papi keep a show and make Drake come and DJ. Drake bite off the whole of our culture. So the least him can do a come do a blood clot show down there. Him gonna act like Jamaican. I know the guy from before him boss. Long time. So, like when you're into a culture so much, come to one big blood clot free show down here. You have the money, can do it. Yeah, a real talk. If Drake so love, God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten son. Then if you so love our dancehall culture and Popcorn and your linky, oh no keep a show. Your whole album named Portland, Roachy, St. Mary, this and that. Me never see you keep a show down in Jamaica. And we have only for poor, hungry people down there. Keep a show and just say free. And invite Nicki Minaj to see her body. But me just say, una hype up some of them little pussy clad people here. Them not do nothing for our business. And who not like that? No boy can thump me in my mouth. Khalid, that Mataran boss Khalid at Jamaica. You know when Khalid do him live, if I go some write something on him live, him say Mataran. Me or Jazzy T, cause Renaissance and Mataran bring Khalid at Jamaica. But me I say, now that Drake a fight for culture and them thing there, him can bring himself come to Jamaica in conjunction with Papi them and show a show. What not tell me say? We not chat no fuckery. I be hype, we not hype them blood clot boy and them not hype them for no reason. That's why no pussy can't tell me nothing. Me no go for hype. Me tell a boy say go drink your mother. Uno hype people when no forget hype. And the people them will forget hype. Uno no hype. That's why no pussy can't hype me. And Mataran me name whether I sing one of the biggest blood clot songs in the dancehall, whether you like it or not. I may not be Bunty, Beanie, Buju, Cartel, Capitan, but me sing one of the biggest blood clot songs for the last decade. I'm the biggest blood clot selector the dancehall ever seen. You see it? It don't matter if alkaline is a false prophet, he never prophesied nothing to you. The youth just do him thing. He never come out and tell you, say him a this, him a that. He more than him say him a the youngest and the baddest, and he was. Just like Mataran said, the greatest blood clot thing we play dancehall music. Whether you like Mataran or not, I am the greatest. So whether you like me or not, I am the greatest. Whether you like alkaline or not, at the time when he say I'm the youngest and the baddest, he was the youngest and the baddest. At one point, Cartel of the dancehall following him. Everybody follow Cartel. He was factual. It was the truth. When Cartel said, me sing about class already, it was the truth. They were all following Vybz Kartel. and say, I'm here the greatest blood clotting on the beach. It was the truth. Nobody never defeat me over there. Want to know what the baddest blood clotting in a dancer? And no Gaza fans can't chat to me and tell me no. Because I know Cartel, when Cartel come from my veranda, run a magic yard. He never even have nothing about the Gaza. When him sit down and a DJ, lyrics after lyrics to me, for about 5 hours. Him and Butler. Only never even know Cartel, him black like a tar them time there. There was no Gaza. You see? But at some point, Cartel become one of the best. But if you want to ask me who are the baddest blood clotting wherever DJ or dancehall music, my two baddest would have to say Ninja Man and Blood Clot Baby Wayne. Because even Cartel, in a baddest moment, him can't touch Baby Wayne. No day. No time. And no Gaza fans by yourself can't even dispute that. You know why? You know why? Guess why no Gaza fan couldn't dispute the fact that Cartel no bad like Baby Wayne, not there. You know why? I have the proof. You know what is the proof? Guess what is the proof? Cartel did a cover version about 6 of Baby Wayne's songs. And Cartel is so intelligent and so versatile, he didn't have to do that. But to show you, he is showing you that this is the man that him pay respect to certain way. Him rate Bounty Killer them and the whole of them. But Baby Wayne is who Cartel always wanted to be like. Cause him can't speak rhymes like Baby Wayne. And any Gaza fans want to put that to the test. But no message Cartel and ask him. Because me know me had that conversation with Cartel more than once. And me know as a prolific figure in the dancehall, me will tell you no say, Cartel, no, whether Baby Wayne a cokehead, shithead, rockhead, crackhead, me will tell you no this, Cartel, no bad like him. And for sure no, oh, the world boss rate Baby Wayne, whether I was a crackhead or not, if you rate Vybz Kartel, you must have seen that Vybz Kartel rate Baby Wayne. R.I.P. to Baby Wayne. Allow me to tell, if Cartel don't rate you, no found no Cartel fanatic. Wanna never speak to Cartel yet. And know the magnitude of his intelligence. I did on several occasions.
People, you see what I say? I laugh, me a laugh, because Mataran is just a joker. Mataran a cuss Drake. He must say, boy, Drake, if you come do a show and I cuss all the people and we eat alkaline. You see me? He say my alkaline share the same values. I don't know what that mean. You see me? What you mean your man share the same values? You see me? I say because I don't know what kind of values he say my alkaline can share. You see me? I say me people, that does, it sound a way still. Big man thing. But about an away from that. Mataran I cuss Drake and I say, boy, Drake we can do a show at Jamaica because Drake a thief the culture. I don't know if or not my thief the culture, but I just Mataran views that. And I same thing Vegas did I say when people, boy, it did get controversial and that just take him out the dancehall because he must say, boy, people in a different dancehall. So I just that are the same reason why he run to Christ. So I don't know if it's true or not. Because the Mataran say it now, say Drake use everything for Jamaica and boy, according to him, it's like him exploit Popcorn. So Popcorn for bring him to Jamaica and make him keep a show. You see me, I say me people. So me don't know. He must say some things where a whole heap must say a bag of things. He must say, boy, all the Gaza fans them still a burn out as you know see. I say, boy, some of my Gaza fans they will claim say my Gaza fans. They don't know Cartel. He say Cartel used to black like tar when Cartel a company veranda contract and lyrics the 5 hours straight, me people. And that he must say, no. You see me? So I say, him say, boy, Cartel, nobody Cartel rate like Baby Wayne. You see me, Baby Wayne have a song on him. That one here, the truth. But Cartel Tony said, that one here, the truth. Because he named Addy, as you know. So he said, that one here, the truth. You see me, some people don't listen to that and know still. But it double rhyme did it. In a way Cartel do. Because when Baby Wayne got. That one, yeah, Addy Truth. He no said Addy Truth. Because he ain't named Addy, but a Cartel put Addy there. Just as a double rhyme. You see me, I say, but yes, that Matterhorn I say. Like, Cartel look up to them man there. You see me, for Cartel, a man can really pinpoint where Cartel, somebody where Cartel really idolize, for Cartel take 6 of their songs. As he say, Cartel is very prolific. You see me, Cartel is a lyricist, and you can look up to a next man and say, them man there, yo, more lyrical more than you. Imagine that. You see me, so, me don't know, me is not a fan of Baby Wayne, so me just think say a certain way people for digging and know who Baby Wayne is. You see me, knowing that Tony Matterhorn bring him to the center of everything you know. For Vybz Kartel, lyrical capability. You see me, I say me people. So I say, did I say some bag of things still? I must see a bag of things. Because you don't know so Tony Matterhorn still and he have to make it dramatic. Which he must looking forward differently. I say, boy, everybody, if a man deserve them forward, you forget it. So, he must say, when Cartel say, boy, when he drop dancehall hero, he say, boy, Cartel say, boy, everybody a follow him, and it was the truth. And when Alkaline say him are the youngest and the baddest, it was the truth. And when him say, boy, him when he clash on the beach, it was the truth. So, you know what Matterhorn still. You feel like, say, boy, if him, as a man can give unto Caesar what is Caesar, everybody supposed to can give unto Caesar what is Caesar, and which is his ratings where he not get, according to him. And that me interpret what him say. You see me? So, me no know still. I just Tony Matterhorn that. Tony Matterhorn, anytime he go up on live, anyway Tony Matterhorn there, him have to get dramatic. You know what's Tony Matterhorn still. You see me, I say me people, so, I just see a bag of things. You see me, but as me say people, you can find out who Baby Wayne is. You see me? Peace. I'm out.
Now I know the truth. No matter if me don't talk and them want shout. All go kind of woman straight up on the road. Eat a with a vegetable, eat a with a fruit. That's the tongue of the men with the top of his soap. Check out the men with the wild good roads. Tell them I come in a bundle and glue. Come up off the head, but you're off the loop. I try for the dignitary, them and the joke. If I 12 for long, when you was like soap. Walking up a line and straightening up low. 48, 14, I try for the dope. And that's the fish and good. That's what me tell them, see. Now I know the truth. This I know the truth. But I'm a we don't talk and them want shout. All walk enough for man shedding up road. Eat away my vegetable, eat all even fruit. Stop down at the man with the down of his throat. Check out the man where you want the good road. Y'all them a come in a bumble and out. Come and pop off the left and clean off the load. And cry for the dignitary, them and the dope. If I 12 for long, you don't say you're soap. Walking up the line and straight and up low. 48, 14 a time for the dough. And the slim fish and good up for soap. Any girl when me get a fi give me gun salute. And I talk say how she want puppy throat. And I talk say how the youth them cute. And I talk say how she love me the journey. Me never get shot a breath.